Jai Hind, I am Cadet Janvi Sharma, regimental number JK20 JWA 667511. So I want to tell you the main target of tobacco industry. Adolescents and children are the prime target of tobacco industries when recruiting new smokers. About 20 million children of ages 10 to 14 are estimated to be tobacco addicted. To a survey done by the National Sample Survey Organization of the Indian government, to an astounding figure about 5,500 new users added every day, making 2 million new users
Jai Hind. My name is Cadet Anahita Verma and today I'm going to speak some lines on World No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day is celebrated worldwide every year on 31st May. This day helps in the prevention of the deaths caused due to tobacco use. This event is beneficial for smokers because World Health Organizations motivate smokers to quit tobacco for 24 hours. This event has started in the year 1987 and now the death rates are risen to 6 million. The organizations encourages people to stay away from tobacco. Tobacco Day encourages people to live their lives tobacco.
Jai Hind, my name is Cadet Ridhima Verma and today I am going to speak few lines on occasion of World's Anti-Tobacco Day. The World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st of May every year. The reason behind this event is to stop negative health impacts. The World No Tobacco Day gets authorized by the heads of World Health Organization. Media promotes the positive points of this day with huge advertisements. Tobacco Day motivates people to live their life tobacco free. On 31st of May, the World Health Organization helps organize a worldwide event for the World No Tobacco Day.
My name is Cadet Kahani Sharma. Today I am going to express my thoughts on the occasion of Anti-Tobacco Day. Every year Anti-Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st May. This yearly celebration informs the public on the dangers of using tobacco, the business of using tobacco, companies, what the WHO, World Health Organization, is doing to fight against the use of tobacco, and what people around the world can do to claim their rights to health and healthy living and to protect future
Even you are smoking, you are harming yourself. Now let us talk about the harm of smoking on our youth. Young people who smoke are in danger. Exposure to nicotine can have lasting effects and adolescent brain development. Cigarette smoking also causes children and teens to be short of breath and to have less stamina, both of which can affect athletic performance and both physically active pursuits. Now, let us talk about the effect of smoking on our country. Tobacco use is one of the leading preventable cause of death, killing more than 7 million people every year. More than it enormous toll of diseases, suffering and death. Tobacco use also burdens the global economy.
Jai Hind, I am Biroshika Bagal, NCC cadet. Today I am explaining the ill effects of tobacco to people who enjoy
Smoking cigarette
tobacco.
causes cancer, heart diseases, stroke, lung diseases, diabetes and COPD. Smoking also increases the risk of certain eye diseases and other problems including immune system
Quitting
problems.
smoking betters your health. Studies have shown that are immediate effects on a person's health right after quitting smoking within the first 2 weeks after quitting smoking. The blood
Jai Hind, I am Cadet Vanshika 3, regimental number JK20 JWA is 667521. On the occasion of Anti-Tobacco Day, I am going to tell you the few benefits of tobacco-free lifestyle. Choosing to be tobacco-free could be one of the most important decisions you ever make. Quitting smoking will help you live a longer, healthier life as well as protect the health of your families and friends. Giving up smoking can be difficult, but a tobacco-free lifestyle offers many benefits.
Studies have shown that second-hand smokes can be as dangerous or more dangerous as first-hand smokes. Quitting smokes does not just mean that the smokers become overall healthier persons, but it also cleans the environments and air around the smoke, making safer for everyone.
My name is Cadet Asha Bhagat. Today I speak few lines on the occasion of World Anti-Tobacco Day. Every year on 31st May, the World Health Organization and global partners celebrate World No Tobacco Day. The annual campaign is an opportunity to raise awareness on the harmful and deadly effects of tobacco use and second-hand smoke exposure, and to discourage the use of tobacco in any form. The focus of World No Tobacco Day on tobacco and lungs health. The campaign will increase awareness on the negative impact that tobacco has on people's lungs health. Lastly, I would to say that please don't smoke. Even they damage our lungs for whole life.
I am Cadet Jaspreet Kaur. Today I am going to speak few lines on the occasion of Anti-Tobacco Day. Anti-Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st of May every year. As you all know, tobacco is so harmful for our health. Tobacco can cause death also. Tobacco used in all forms can cause diseases like cancer, TB, etc. It increases the chances of COVID-19 also. Every year, 8 million of living beings die by using tobacco. So please don't use tobacco.
Cadet Regimental number JK20JW866529. So I want to tell you the main target of tobacco industries. Adolescents and children are the prime target of the tobacco industry. When recruiting new smokers, about 20 million children of ages 10 to 14 are estimated to be tobacco addicted. A survey done by the National Sample Survey Organization of the Indian government. To this astounding figure, about 5,500 new users are added every day, making 2 million
Now,
new users.
let us talk about the points with which we can control people from these dangerous cigarettes. Step 1. Have a plan. Once you have made your up mind to quit smoking as set the day, develop a plan. Don't go in alone. It will be easier to quit smoking if you have support from family and friends. Stay busy. Stay busy. Always stay busy. Otherwise, your mind will always go that what if we can smoke. Step 4. Avoid smoking triggers. Step 5. Reward your accomplishment.
Jai Hind, I'm Cadet Anahita Verma. I'm going to express my views on World No Tobacco Day. Today we all know a lot about the dangers of smoking, all thanks to decades years of research about tobacco addiction. So I would like to conclude that at average the life expectancy of a smoker is 10 years less than a non-smoker. Cigarette smoke contains more than 7,000 chemicals, out of which 70 are known to cause cancer. Nearly 9 out of 10 smokers start smoking before the age 18, and almost all start smoking by the age 26. For every person who dies from a smoking-related disease, 20 more people suffer from smoking-related illness. Tobacco use and smoking cause more than 5 million deaths per year worldwide. At end, I would like to suggest you to quit tobacco and live a happier and healthier life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Health. At last, I would like to say that please stop smoking if you are doing so, because smoking is very injurious to health. If you will not quit smoking, one day will come your condition will also be like this. Thank you and have a nice day.